Hello everyone, today, we will explore the Rover P6, a masterpiece of the British automotive industry. This car once shook the world with its groundbreaking design, advanced suspension system, and powerful engine, once considered a source of pride. Why did such a revolutionary product fall into oblivion? Let's delve into the fascinating story of this forgotten gem to understand why the Rover P6 remains a cherished historical icon in the automotive industry. The Rover P6, launched in 1963, was a revolutionary product in the British automotive industry. Created by a small team of engineers at the Rover Company, the car quickly stunned the world with its futuristic design. A unique feature of the P6 was its engine bay. Designed to accommodate a jet turbine engine, an unprecedented idea at the time. The P6 was considered a moonshot project of the British automotive sector, embodying the ambition for comprehensive innovation. Unfortunately, it fell into obscurity, largely due to production and management issues in later years. Nevertheless, the P6 remains a testament to the boldness and creativity of British automotive engineering during its golden era. The Rover engineering team, led by Spen King and Gordon Bashford, began developing the P6 in the late 1950s. They recognized that changes in road infrastructure, particularly the emergence of motorways, required a new type of car capable of high-speed travel while offering comfort and fuel efficiency. The P6 was designed from the ground up with innovative ideas, drawing inspiration from the French Citroën DS. It featured a unique front suspension system using a bell crank mechanism and a spacious engine bay, large enough to house an experimental turbine engine. Its body structure was also revolutionary, employing a base unit design with non-load-bearing body panels mounted externally. This approach made the P6 easier to maintain and repair compared to traditional designs. The P6 was officially unveiled at the Earl's Court Motor Show in 1963 with its first model, the Rover 2000. The car was equipped with a 2.0 LOHC overhead camshaft engine producing 104 horsepower, making it suitable for long motorway journeys. This engine was designed with a square configuration, optimizing performance. Inside, the P6 showcased Rover's commitment to safety, featuring a padded dashboard and a design aimed at minimizing injuries during collisions. In 1966, the Rover 2000 TC twin carburetor was introduced, enhancing performance to 110 horsepower and targeting export markets such as North America and Europe. In 1968, Rover made the biggest breakthrough in the P6 lineup with the introduction of the 3500 model, powered by an aluminum V8 engine. This engine, originally designed by Buick, was acquired and refined by Rover to meet the company's needs. The V8 engine became a standout feature, transforming the P6 from a high-performance luxury sedan into a true sports car. With exceptional power, the 3500 achieved a top speed of 114 miles per hour and accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 10.5 seconds, an impressive figure for its time. To accommodate the larger engine in the compact body, the engineering team made several adjustments. The front suspension arms were moved forward, and an additional air intake was added below the front bumper to improve cooling. The battery was relocated to the trunk to free up space under the hood. Remarkably, despite these modifications, the overall dimensions of the P6 remained unchanged, showcasing the outstanding flexibility of its original design. The integration of the V8 engine not only elevated performance but also increased the P6's appeal to speed enthusiasts and premium customers, making it one of the most versatile vehicles Rover ever produced. In the 1970s, the Rover P6 continued to evolve to meet increasingly stringent environmental standards and consumer expectations. In 1970, the company introduced the Series 2, featuring significant updates to both its exterior and interior. These updates included a plastic front air intake replacing the original aluminum version, round gauges, and modern rotary switches. These enhancements not only made the car more appealing but also aligned it with the changing market demands. In 1973, Rover launched the 2200 model to comply with strict emission regulations, particularly in California, a key market with rigorous environmental standards. The 4-cylinder engine in this version was upgraded with a cylinder bore increased to 90.5 millimeters, while the stroke remained at 85.7 millimeters. This change improved torque delivery and operational efficiency while significantly reducing emissions. The 2200 series demonstrated that the P6 could adapt to new technological and environmental challenges while preserving its original character. The Rover P6 was not only successful in its domestic market but also assembled and distributed globally, particularly in New Zealand and Australia. From 1971 to 1976, the P6 was assembled at the New Zealand Motor Corporation plant in Stoke, Nelson. Notably, 2.400 units were exported to Australia, establishing a unique intercontinental trade network. In addition to the standard sedan version, the P6 also had unique variants, although they were not officially produced by Rover. One of the most remarkable was the estate wagon version, converted by FLM Panelcraft. This variant, named Azura, was designed to offer greater practicality and cargo space. However, due to the high conversion cost of £800, a significant sum at the time, only slightly more than 200 estate units were produced. This diversity highlights the P6's influence not only in design but also in catering to the varied needs of its users. Rover invested significant effort to penetrate the US market, known for its demanding standards and fierce competition. The P6 version tailored specifically for this market, called NADA, North American Dollar Area, was customized with several unique features. Upgrades included wraparound bumpers, 3 air vents on the hood, and an advanced ice alert system. Additionally, the car was equipped with amenities like air conditioning and power windows to cater to American consumer preferences. However, these efforts were insufficient to secure success in the US market. High prices, expensive operating costs, and competition from domestic models limited Rover to selling fewer than 1.500 units in the US in 1971, the final year the car was distributed there. This failure highlighted the broader challenges British automakers faced in adapting to international markets. The final years of the Rover P6 were closely tied to the decline of British Leyland, the corporation managing Rover at the time. Quality control issues became severe, tarnishing the P6 reputation. A notable example was a Rover 3500 that earned the title of Worst Car in Britain from Drive magazine, published by the British Automobile Association. In 1975, this particular car required 3 engine replacements, 2 gearboxes, and 2 clutch housings within just 6 months, clear evidence of the manufacturing challenges. Despite these difficulties, the P6 remained in production until March 1977, when the final car, a Rover 3500S, rolled off the assembly line, with a total of 322.000 units produced over 14 years. The P6 concluded a remarkable chapter in British automotive history. The Rover P6 was more than just a car, it became a cultural icon. It was frequently used by British police due to its high performance and exceptional durability. In popular culture, the P6 appeared in many well-known television programs, such as Tinker Tailor Soldier Spy and Jack Irish. However, the car is also associated with a historical tragedy, the 1982 accident involving Princess Grace Kelly of Monaco. This event underscored the importance of the safety features that the P6 had pioneered in the automotive industry. Additionally, the P6 design inspired other fields, most notably the Rover chair, created by interior designer Ron Arad in 1981 using seats from the P6. The legacy of the Rover P6 extends far beyond its production years. The car laid the foundation for many modern design concepts, including interior safety, advanced suspension systems, and innovative body structures. These advancements continued to influence the automotive industry for decades. Despite facing quality issues in its later years, the P6 remains highly regarded by collectors and classic car enthusiasts. For car lovers, the P6 is more than just a vehicle, it is a testament to creativity and innovation in British automotive engineering. It also reflects both the triumphs and challenges of the industry during the turbulent 1970s. So, we've explored the inspiring story of the Rover P6, a masterpiece of innovation and a historic icon of the British automotive industry. From its forward-thinking design to groundbreaking engineering, the Rover P6 deserves recognition as a true gem of its era. Although it has faded into the past, it continues to leave a profound impression on car enthusiasts and automotive history aficionados. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to discover more fascinating stories. See you in the next video.